Hi friends, welcome to Raman channel. Today we'll see how to find the stress and elongation of the given bar. Okay, first we see the problem. An axial pull of 35,000 Newton is acting on a bar consisting of three lengths as shown in figure. If the Young's modulus equal to 2.18 10 power 5 Newton per mm square, determine the stress in each section. Total extents of the bar. Okay, this is the given section. This is three lengths. First length is the 20 cm. Diameter is the 2 cm. Okay, second section. How much? 25 cm length. 3 cm dia. Third section. 22 cm length, 5 cm dia. Applied force is the 35,000 newtons. I am taking only first section. That is how much? 2 cm dia. I am drawing like this. I am taking only first section. Okay. What is the applied force here? 35,000 newtons. And here also 35,000. And what is the length here? 20 centimeter. You are converted into millimeter. 20 into 10 means 200. Okay. Dia is the 2 centimeter. That is the 20 mm. This one. First we have to find the stress. That is sigma 1. First section now this one. Sigma. Sigma 1 equal to what is the formula? Sigma 1 equal to load by area. Okay. How to find the area? P by A means pi by 4 into d1 square. Now sigma 1 equal to what is the applied force? 35,000. 35,000 by pi by 4 into d1 means how much? 20. That is the 20 square. 35,000 by pi by 4. Pi by 4 into 20 square. 20 square. That is equal to Joule 1.4. That is Joule 1.408 Newton per mm square. And we also find the elongation. Elongation means delta L. What is the formula? Delta L equal to delta L1. P L1 by A1 into E. That equal to P means applied force. That is applied force 35,000. 35,000 into L1 is the length. That is how much? 200 by pi 4 into D1 square. D1 square, D1 how much? 20 into Young's modulus. The given. What is the Young's modulus value? 2.1 into 10 power 5. 2.1 into 10 power 5. 35,000 into 200 by pi by 4 into 20 square. This is into 20 square into 2.1 into 10 power 5. 10 power 5. That is equal to 0.106. Delta L1 is the delta L1 is equal to 0.106 mm. Similarly, second section also. Now we take second section. What is the second section here? Length 25, dia 30. Okay, this one. Applied force is same for all sections. That is the 35,000 Newton. 35,000 Newton. Here also 35,000 Newtons. And length. Length how much they given? 25 centimeter into 10. That is the 250 mm. Dia is the 3 centimeter. That is 30 mm. And this is the second section. Okay. Same procedure. First you find the stress. Stress equal to what is formula? Sigma 2 equal to P by A2. That is equal to P means how much? 35. Then by how you find the A2? Pi by 4 into D2 square. What is the D here? 30. That is 30 square. 35,000 by pi by 4 into 30 square is equal to how much? 49.51. That is 49.514. What is the unit stress? That is Newton per mm square. Similarly, elongation also nothing but E2. E2 equal what is the formula? PL2 by A2 into E. PL2 by A2 into that equal to P means 35,000 only. 35,000 into length. Length how much? 250 by A2. Pi by 4 into 30 square into E value. They give 2.1 into 10 power 5. 2.1 into 10 power 5 that equal to this one. 35,000 into 250 by pi by 4 into 30 square into 2.1 into 10 power 5 that is equal to 0.058 0.0589 mm. Similarly, third section. What is the third section? This one. Okay. This is third section. Applied force is same. That is 35,000 newtons. 35,000 newtons. Here also 35,000. What is the length? 22 centimeter into 10. That is the 220 mm. 220. Here is the 5 centimeter. That is the 50. And this is the third section. Okay. Now same procedure. First you find the stress. That is nothing but sigma 3. Sigma 3 equal to P by A3. That equal to P by A3 means pi by 4 into D3 square. That equal to sigma 3 is equal to what is the applied force? 35,000. 35,000 by pi by 4 into D3 means how much? 50 square. 35,000 by pi by 4 into 50 square. 17.82. That is 17.82 Newton per mm square. This is stress now. That is Newton per mm square. Next you have to find the elongation. Nothing but E3. E3 equal to what formula? P into L3 by A3E. Now that equal to what is the applied force? 35,000 now. 35,000 into what is the length? 220 by A3. A3 means pi by 4 into 50 square. Pi by 4 into 50 square into Young's modulus. Young's modulus is the 2.1 into 10 power 5. 2.1 into 10 power 5. 35,000 into 220 by pi by 4 into 50 square into 2.1 into 10 power 5. That is equal to 0.0186. That equal to 0.0186 mm. Now we have to find the total elongation. Total elongation means delta L equal to delta L1 plus this is delta L3. Delta L2 plus delta L3. What is the delta L1? Delta L1 is a 0.106. 0.106 plus delta L2 is the delta L2. Delta L2 is the 0.0589. 0.0589 into delta L3 is a 0. Plus 0.0186. 0.106 plus 0.0589 plus 0.0186. 0.186 that equal to how much? 0.1835. That is equal to 0.1835. This is the total elongation. Nothing but elongation of all three sections. These three sections. How much? Thank you for watching my video.